Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, all of you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. Now, as you know, nowadays you all are busy with your preparation. Okay. There are many sample papers are available in your websites. Okay. And many sample papers you have already purchased. Okay, for your preparation. And this is known as the usual sample papers. Okay. There are at least 10 sample papers are given for solving of maths. So all are standard students? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So no problem, whatever you are standard or basic. Okay. So questions, what type of question will ask in the examination, the sample papers will indicates you. Okay. So you must acquainted about this. Okay. Which pattern will come, which type of question will ask in the examination. Okay. So by solving sample papers we will learn something different. Okay. Many questions are directly come from your NCERT book and some of the questions are created by themselves. Okay. So you should look at the sample papers questions. Sample paper 1. Now, this year there are part A and part B, and part B having section 1 and section 2. Okay. In section 1 there are 16 questions. Okay, 1 mark questions, that is known as knowledge based questions. Okay, application based questions. Many questions are coming, but these are short questions, 1 mark. Each question carry how many marks? 1 mark. 16 will ask. Okay, so let's discuss part A, section 1. Okay. And in this 16 number of question, there are 5 internal choices available. What is the internal choice? Or questions are there. Okay, you have to pick out which question you are going to solve. If you want to solve both the questions, there is no problem, but the examiner will give only 1 mark. Okay, so let's come with the first question. Question number 1. Write down the question first. Okay, if xy is equals to 180 and HCF of xy equals to 3, then find the LCM of x and y. Okay. So look at this question. If xy is equals to 180 and HCF of xy is 3, and find the LCM of xy. One formula is in your first chapter, you know, that is the product of number is equals to HCF into LCM. Now, product of numbers mean here, they are in the books only given A, B form, here XY form, there is no difference, only variables are changes here. Okay. So, product of number, write down the formula. Now, how many steps you have to write? That is the question. Okay. Sir, 1 mark का दिया है question, हम इतना ज़्यादा लिख देंगे? No. That CBSE not ask. Okay. How much question will ask, that much you have to answer. Okay. So only first mention the exact formula, then apply whatever the information given in the question, and at least 2 steps you have to write. Okay, 2 or 3 steps for solving this type of questions, and total contains 1 mark. Look at. Then product of 2 numbers. It is very easy question. Numbers which is equals to LCM of xy into HCF of xy. It is in the given in the form of x and y. Okay. Now product of numbers means xy, it is given. LCM you are going to find LCM, तो इसको छोड़ देना है ऐसे. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? तो HCF को HCF, व्हाट इज द गिवन HCF? 3. You can apply 3 number there. So LCM of xy into 3. Now what is the value of xy? It is also given, very simple, 180, which is equals to LCM of xy into 3. Now LCM of xy, which is equals to 180 divided by 3. How much your answer? Tell me. Tell me. 60. Very good. Now the LCM of two number is 60. Okay. Now this contains half mark and this contains half mark. Total half plus half is equals to 1. This way your examiner give the marks, okay, in your board examination. So these are the minimum steps, at least minimum steps you have to write. Okay. Are you understand? Okay. Then comes to second question. So it is one of the internal choice given. The decimal representation of 14,587 divided by 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 4 will terminate after how many decimal places? This type of question many times asked. Okay. So look at the second question. Question number 2. Write down the question first. The decimal representation of 14,587 divided by 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 4 will terminate after how many decimal places? This type of question will ask. Okay. You never found in your NCERT books this type of question, but the concept is based on your first chapter. Okay, that is terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating decimal expansion. So we know that in the terminating decimal expansion, the denominator must contains in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n as per your theorems. Okay, but here 14,587 divided by 2 into 5 to the power 4. Okay, now look at how to solve this. How decimal places you have to easily convert it? That means if denominator place contains multiples of 10 आ जाएगा तो आपको इजीली आप डेसिमल ट्रांसफर कर दोगे. यू नो द ट्रिक्स है नहीं. देखो मान लो मैं फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल से 123 बाय 100. नाउ इजीली यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट 0.123. हाउ यू कैन कन्वर्ट? हाउ मेनी zeros are available? It is right or wrong? It is wrong. Okay, then what is your exact value? 1.23. Okay, how it can possible? Now look at the number of zeros. The number of zeros is 2. Then you can shift it 2 places towards right. Yes or no? In this case, look at here. Look at the number of 2 availability and the number of 5 availability. How many 5s are available? How many 2s are available? 1. So how many 5s are required? 3. Very good. Right answer is 3. 5 to the power 4 is fixed. Then how many 2s are required here? So next step, you have to multiply 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, this becomes 14587 into 8 divided by 2 into 5 to the power 4, that is 14587 into 8 divided by 10 to the power 4. Okay, now the multiplication, after getting the multiplication from here you answer the question. How many places it will terminate? After 4 decimal places. जो 10 का पावर आएगा उतना भी डेसिमल प्लेसेस वो एक्सटेंड करेगा. ओके, देन so write the answer. Hence it will terminate after 4 decimal places. इतना तक आपको कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है, वहां पे फिर आंसर जो पूछा है वो लिखना है. समझ में आया? द क्वेश्चन विल आस्क will terminate after how many decimal places? It will terminate after 4 decimal places. और भी एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक है. दिस इज द मेथड यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन प्रॉपरली. बट आपको यहाँ पे 4 दिख रहा है ना, यहाँ पे 2 दिख रहा है ना, तो देखना जो हाईएस्ट पावर है उतना ही डेसिमल प्लेसेस वो टर्मिनेट करेगा. आंसर्स तो वहीं पे है क्वेश्चन पे, पर उसको लिखेंगे कैसे? हाउ टू प्रेजेंट, हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट. ओके, राइट डाउन. Comes to next question. Question number 2. It is coming from your polynomial chapter. If the sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial. Suddenly you one thing strike your brain. The question will coming from which chapter? जो भी क्वेश्चन देगा तो चैप्टर कौन सा चैप्टर से वो आया है, तो उसका राइट्स कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है वो फटाफट ब्रेन में आना चाहिए, तब जाके आप जल्दी से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? ओके, देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. राइट ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. If the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 3, then find the value of k. Find the value of k. So look at quadratic polynomial. It is given solution, that is px, which is equals to 3x square minus kx plus 6. Okay, if the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, we know that is alpha and beta, these are two roots of this quadratic polynomial or two zeros of this quadratic polynomial. ये शायद ये क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा आप लोगों को. नहीं, तो बताओ क्या करेंगे हम? पहले हम a b c सेपरेट करेंगे. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a? टेल मी चिराग. 3. b c प्लस 6. ओके, साइन यू ऑल्सो मस्ट इंडिकेट साइन. तो गलती हो जाता है एग्जाम में, कभी साइन छूट जाता है. ठीक है, तो साइन पे ध्यान देना. देन अल्फा प्लस बीटा फॉर्मूला, टेल मी. माइनस बी बाय ए. The sum of zeros is given 3. Yes or no? Sum is given 3. Minus b by a, you can minus of minus k divided by 3, which is equals to 3. Minus minus become plus k by 3, and k is equals to 3 cross 3 दिस इज 9. So what is the value of k? 9. The minimum steps ये चिराग तेरे को हो जाता ना नहीं? ओके. तो ये क्वेश्चन बार बार इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन घुमा फिरा के पूछता रहता है, समझ में आया? तो आप लोग ध्यान दो, 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन, डेफिनेटली 1 क्वेश्चन विल आस्क लाइक दिस. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो. अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ये भी आया था तुम्हारा प्री बोर्ड फर्स्ट में, उस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, देखो. फ्रॉम व्हिच चैप्टर द क्वेश्चन विल आस्क? पॉलिनोमियल. देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिया है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ k for what value of k the pair of linear equation pair of linear equations that is 3x plus y equals to 3 and 6x plus ky is equals to 8 does not have a solution. Does not have a solution. This type question will ask. Okay, already came in your pre-board 1. Yes, tell me. Now these are the system of two equation given. This question came from your chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Understand this type question? Tell me. Only condition you have to focus on the conditions. There are 3 conditions available. One is intersecting lines, coincident lines and parallel lines. Okay, look at here. Write down the equation first. 3x plus y is equals to 3. तो उसको पहले क्या करना है, 3 को इस साइड ले आना है. ठीक है, that is 3x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. This is equation 1. Then comes to equation 2. मैं डायरेक्टली कर रहा हूँ. 6x plus ky plus 8 becomes minus 8 is equals to 0. So you should separate the coefficients. Okay, first equation with respect to a1, b1, c1 and the second equation with respect to a2, b2, c2. Now tell me, a1 is equals to 3, b1, tell me, y means 1, c1, very good, a2, b2 plus k, c2, okay. Now look at, then comes to the condition. Condition is does not have a solution. No solution in the case of parallel lines only. Parallel lines का condition क्या है? Tell me. लिखना क्या? For parallel lines. a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equals to. Very good, very good. इसको सॉल्व कर दो. a1 by a2, what is the value of a1? 3 by 6 which is equals to 1 by k. Now 3k is equals to 6 by cross multiplying. K is multiplied to 3 and 6 is multiplied to 1, 6. So what is the value of k? 2. It is your answer. अगर आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है, पहले से आपको पता है क्वेश्चन कहाँ से आया और क्या कंडीशन अप्लाई करना है, राइट कंडीशन, तो तुरंत आप सॉल्व करने लगोगे. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली विल आस्क इन योर एग्जामिनेशन. आर यू अंडरस्टैंड पूजा? Then comes to next question. One of the interesting question it is given. Okay. If 3 chairs and 1 table costs rupees 1500 and 6 chairs and 1 table cost rupees 2400. Form linear equation to represent this situation. आपको इतना तो करना आएगा ना. Question number 4. If 3 chairs and 1 table cost rupees 1500 and 6 chairs and 1 table cost rupees 2400, form a linear equation to represent the situation. That is 3 chairs are given and 1 table is given. Total cost is rupees. This type of question you should consider only 1 table and 1 chair. First you have to consider only 1 table and 1 chair. Let solution. Let the cost of 1 chair be rupees x. एक टेबल का कितना कॉस्ट है? 3 chairs are given. Sorry, 3 chairs are 1. Let the cost of 1 chair be rupees x. What will be the cost of 3 chair? 3 into x, 3x. Okay. Let the cost of 1 table be rupees y. Then comes to ATQ. What is the meaning of ATQ? According to question. Now 3 chairs means 3 into x, 3x plus y. 1 table, y, the cost of 1 table is y, which is equals to 1500. Then comes to next 6 chairs, 6x plus y, which is equals to 2400. Okay. The question will ask, how much will ask, you have to answer that much only. Okay. That means you have to form the linear equation only. Okay. You are not finding the cost of 1 chair or cost of 1 table. You just form the linear equation only this. Okay. Comes to next question. Now, which term of the following AP is 0? Which term of the following AP following AP 27, 24, 21 is 0. Okay. So it is AP is given. It is coming from your arithmetic progression. Now look at the AP solution. देखो क्वेश्चन में दिया है which term of what question will ask, okay, which term of AP is 0, which term means you have to find the n, okay, how many terms, and which term is nth term is 0. From question n is equals to 0. Now tell me what is the first term of this sequence, what is the common difference, 24 minus 27 becomes minus 3, okay, minus 3, not 3. Then comes to n, what is the formula, tell me, a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals to 0. What is the value, you can put here, 27 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 is equals to 0. Now n minus 1 into minus 3 is equals to minus 27. You just solving the equation. You can find the value of n. Now minus 3 n minus 1 which is equals to minus 27 divided by minus 3, that is 9. What is the n? 9 plus 1, 10. Which term of this sequence is 0? Ninth term of this sequence is 0. Not 10th. Sorry, 10th term of sequence is 0. That means A10 of this sequence is 0. Okay. Then comes to one internal choice is given of this arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, if d equals to minus 4, n equals to 7, n equals to 4, find a. This is another type of question. Some missing number you have to find. Okay, which one is your missing? Internal choice. Okay. If d equals to minus 4, n equals to 7 and n equals to 4, find a. Now an equals to given 4. What is the formula for n? Nth term. Tell me 1 second, just now we solved. A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 4. Now apply here. N is given 7. What is the value of d? Minus 4. Then again start solving the equation. 6 into minus 4 is equals to 4. A minus 24 is equals to 4. What is the value of A? 4 plus 24 becomes 28. This is the first term of this sequence. Next question, question number 6. For what value of k the given quadratic equation 9x square plus 6kx plus 4 equals to 0 has equal roots. This one is your last question of this period. Then next period we will discuss. Okay. So quadratic equation it is given 9x square plus 6kx plus 4 equals to 0. What will be the roots of equation is given? Equal roots. So first separate a, b, c here. Okay. So a is equals to 9, b is equals to 6k and c is equals to 4. Okay. Now for equal roots d is equals to 0. That means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. What is the value of b square? 6k whole square minus 4a into c is equals to 0. This is 36k square minus, tell me, 9 4 ja 36 4 ja 36 4 ja 4 6 ja 24 2 1 144 is equals to 0. Then 36k square, k square is equals to 144 upon 36. Now tell me, 2 18 2 7 2 2 ja, then 9 2 ja 9 8 ja 4. So k is equals to plus or minus 2. Okay, both of values are applicable. Yes or no? So this much today. Okay. Next we will discuss from question number 7th onwards. Okay. Thank you all.